how to calculate average and percentage in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Excel file. In this table, I'm simply going to calculate total. For that, type equals to sum. So sum is a function which allows us to calculate the total marks. So simply drag from subject 1 to subject 3 and as you can see the total has been calculated. Simply drag the cursor for other datas. You can now enter the full marks for all the 3 subjects. So I'll simply write 300 and drag it all around down. Now to calculate average, simply click on the first cell, click equals to, type average and the parenthesis. Now again drag from subject 1 to subject 3 and as you can see the average has been calculated. Last for the percentage, again type equals to, go to total marks divided by full marks and into 100. So that is how easily you can see the percentage has been calculated. Drag it all the way down again for calculating all the percentage. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.